closing the door. How I thought I was sure what I wanted in my life. But in the time that bound both of our lives, just too blind to realize I was changed.